Hello everybody, in this part of the Illustrator basic product rendering techniques demo, I'd like to show how we can create fresnel effects as well as additional reflections by the sides of the objects. Okay, let's start. Let's select the main shape and make a copy of it. Okay, and I'm going to create a new layer and place that shape in the new layer. Let me hide the rest of the layers. Okay, for this object, I want to create like a border type object, and I can do so by going to the object path, offset path, and give it a offset distance. Okay, and selecting both shapes, I will go to the pathfinder and click on the minus one to cut off this region. Okay, next, I want to apply a gradient fill to this object. Let me add additional gradient stops. Okay, maybe something like that. See how it looks like now. Okay, let me scale this down. I'm going to press the Alt key. Then apply a Gaussian blur to it. Okay, so we got like some kind of this reflection by the side. Okay, I think I can adjust the Gaussian a bit more. Let's say if I give it a 10, what will happen? Okay, maybe something like that. Okay, and then we're going to do the same for the button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the button shape again, the main button shape, and place it in a new layer. Okay, the button is now on the new layer, and let's hide the rest. And I'm going to do the same thing again. Go to path, offset path. This time I'll set a smaller one, let's say 0.2 will do, I think. Okay, and again, apply a gradient. Let's bring back the other stuff. Okay, pressing and holding the Alt key, I'm going to scale this down a bit smaller. And apply a Gaussian blur. I think I can blur some more. Let's apply some opacity so that it blends better with the main body. Okay, maybe something like that. Maybe a bit more blur. Okay, maybe something like that. Pressing the Alt key. Okay, something like that. Okay, I think with that I come to the end of this demo. See you. Bye.